Hey guys, I want to show you something that's been happening on the roller coaster on Zombies in Spaceland. And big shout out to Invalid. He actually figured out what was going on, and this had been happening to other people, so now we know what's going on. Well, we kind of know what's going on. So for the Ghost and Skulls Easter egg to get the first skull, you normally pop the balloons at spawn. You'll hear that like progression noise, that's an Easter egg sound, and then you can move on to the next step. But something strange has been happening. People have noticed that if they don't pop the balloons at spawn and then ride the roller coaster during a clown round, they're gonna get that partial completion noise, and it pops the balloons for them. Along with the completion noise and the balloons being popped, you do get the first skull in the Ghost and Skulls Easter egg. This footage here is being provided by It's Invalid, and he went and rode the roller coaster during the clown round, and you can see that the balloons are gone at spawn. He's gonna go over to the arcade, and you can see that he got the first skull. He tested this several times to see if it was consistent, and it's not. Half of the time he rode it and he would get the completion noise, and half of the time he wouldn't. It also varied when he would get this completion noise. Sometimes he got it right as he got on the roller coaster, sometimes in the middle, and then sometimes right at the end, like in this footage. So this is definitely confusing, and we're thinking that it's probably just a glitch. And if it is, then this video is just to let you know that that's what's happening when you hear a completion noise while you're on the roller coaster. Another possibility is that it is a glitch, but that it might be mixed up with another Easter egg that's supposed to be happening on the roller coaster. During a live stream that Infinity Ward did, they did admit that they've hidden something inside the roller coaster, and they recommend us writing it a few times to find out what the secrets are. During that live stream, they seem to put a lot of emphasis on doing well on the roller coaster and shooting as many targets as possible. So there's definitely something up with this roller coaster, and they also mentioned that we need to pay attention to the graffiti on the wall, that it's going to give us some clues. And the graffiti on the wall at the roller coaster has 3 skulls within the wording, so we were assuming that it's definitely a part of the Ghost and Skulls side Easter egg. Recently we've learned that you don't have to do anything with the roller coaster to acquire any of the skulls for the Ghost and Skulls Easter egg. So it's definitely confusing as to why we're getting a completion noise when we ride the coaster during a clown round and it pops the balloons and gives us the first skull. Is it possible that when you're on the coaster, the clowns are at spawn and they're spawning in and exploding and popping the balloons or something? I can't think of any other reason why this could be happening. So it's either that Infinity Ward has designed a very cool Easter egg with this Ghost and Skulls, and there's going to be more that we can do, and it might involve the roller coaster. The alternative is that the programming and coding is completely screwed up and confused and glitching out. I personally am just like really exhausted with trying to figure out if things are Easter eggs or glitches. Like, I'm so over it. I just don't even want to deal with this. I hope that if it is a glitch, they do fix it, because it just gets really frustrating. I know most of you are going to say it's a glitch, but for those of you that think that there could be more with it, I did want to share it with you, and at least you know now like what is happening if you do hear this noise while you're on the roller coaster. But I hope this helped you guys out. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you guys next video.